So I had this conversation with my friend, and he told me that recently he's been struggling with being consistent. He can't stay consistent on what he is working towards, and he asked me for my point of view on it, which I gladly shared it with him. I told him that whenever you feel like you are demotivated or you are not consistent on what you are doing, it's most of the time because you are so blinded by the end result that you don't enjoy the process that gets you there. What I mean by this is when you first start training, going to the gym, for example, if you want to build muscle for yourself, you will be fantasizing about the end result. You will start thinking of yourself as this bodybuilder or the person that is very jacked and in shape, but this is not going to help you. It might spark some motivation in you for a brief moment, but it's not going to last you the entire journey. Some days you're going to feel ups, you're going to feel downs, some days you're going to feel tired, you don't want to push yourself, but that's where sticking to your journey and enjoying your process comes into play. Because you enjoy the long-term process, you are no longer just seeking the results. You genuinely enjoy waking up, training, and pushing yourself on a day-to-day basis, that it no longer feels like a task or something that you have to force yourself to in order to stay consistent on this path. It's just something natural that you have incorporated in your routine. The second point that I wanted to talk about is that we all have various goals in our minds. We want to make money, we want to be in shape, we want to be much more social, create more friends, stop being lonely, learn a new skill, learn a new language. No matter what you are trying to work on, make sure that you don't deviate your attention. I would much rather take my attention and put it 100% in one particular area and then focus on maximizing my potential in this area before moving to another one. I'm not telling you to only focus on just one particular area for the rest of your life, but know that you are much more powerful once you put your focus on one thing, because you will be able to use your attention and your focus to its full capability in order to reach your goals much faster than it usually takes. So instead of me telling myself, I want to focus on YouTube, I want to get in shape, I want to make money, I want to find a girlfriend, I want to build a life that I am very happy in, I would tell myself right now my main focus is to reach 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. That's my goal and I'm sticking to it. I want to reach this goal. That's why I take my focus and I put it on YouTube. I no longer think of ways to make money online because that's not my main priority right now. My main priority is to grow this YouTube channel and reach as many people as I can. That's why I told him, just take a step back and look at your schedule. Start studying your schedule from start to finish, from the moment that you wake up until you go back to bed, and start analyzing what you're doing on the daily, what tasks are taking the most of your attention and the most of your energy, and see if these tasks are going to help you evolve or reach what you're trying to work towards. If you're going to the gym, let's say, are you following a strict plan that will help you reach what you are trying to do? If you're trying to lose weight or you're trying to gain weight, build muscle, are you following a plan that is going to serve you, or are you just filling your time by telling yourself, yeah, I want to go to the gym, and then you pull up to the gym, do some random exercises, and then leave? That's not gonna optimize your results and you're not going to feel productive. Sometimes I've dragged myself through workout sessions and I still felt like shit because my head wasn't in it. I had a lot of things that were on my mind. But once you take your mind and you put your focus, you are laser focused on just one area, of course you're going to see results. There's no other way. Because you've been showing up for yourself and you want the results so badly that you're going to be pushing yourself, trying new things, experimenting new styles, maybe using different techniques. But at the end of the day, your vision is clear. Your goal and your destination is right in front of you. You know where you are headed. That's how being consistent is no longer a problem, because you have a bigger picture in your mind that you know that what you are doing right now is going to lead you to it. You are on a journey and you have embraced this journey willingly. Nobody has forced you to be on this journey. This is a goal that is genuine for you. You have picked this path to be on, and because you have picked it, you will stick to your decision and you will find yourself on it and you will enjoy what you are doing and you will find pleasure in it. And if you don't stay consistent on what you are doing, you will feel like there's something missing in your life. You want to be pushing yourself every day in order to improve in your craft, no matter what it is. And that's what I told him, man. I told him that you should just evaluate what you are doing and understand that You don't have a lot of attention during your day to disperse it around. Make sure that your focus is on just one area. He told me that he needs to study, he needs to work, he needs to make money, and he wants to get in shape, which are 4 different goals that are going to take a lot of time and effort from you. When I was learning German, my main priority and my main focus was on learning German. I had 8 hours every single day taking intensive courses for 6 months, going from zero knowledge in German to B1. And that's a very tiring step. I was going to school every single day and I wanted to learn the language. And then after getting a hang on the language, I shifted my focus to making money. I started looking for jobs, applying to various jobs to put myself in this new culture and in this new environment. And afterwards, I wanted to get in shape. So I signed up for the gym, and my main priority was getting in shape. I wasn't distracting myself, and I think because I have done this, I was able to see results in all areas that I have put my focus on. And that's exactly what I want you to do as well. If you lack consistency and you can't focus on what you are working towards, ask yourself, is what you are doing worth it for you? Do you see that you are going to evolve and benefit in the future if you stay consistent on this? If the answer is yes, you have to stick to it and always show up for yourself because you see potential for growth. If the answer is no, maybe change your goals, find something else, and then ask yourself, what am I doing every day in order to reach that goal? Is my routine helping me or is it taking me back? You have to analyze your entire situation objectively in order to see the optimal solution for you. Nobody can tell you how to be consistent. You have to figure it out for yourself and then start putting in the work towards what matters to you. And that's everything that I wanted to share in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, make sure to let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also subscribe, as it really helps the channel a lot and it helps the algorithm show this video to someone who really needs to hear it. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video, bro. Peace.